Hey there. So I have a all-day supervisor meeting on Tuesday. So I'm going to get all my stuff prepped because I won't be able to really show you what I'm eating because I'll be in a meeting and eating during the meeting. So that's my 93% ground beef. I'm adding some freeze-dried garlic. I don't want to get too carried away, so I'll add some Greek seasoning. I don't want it to be too spicy. So that will be that. And then I'm going to have my 150 grams of jicama. I've added 1 serving, which is 5 grams of Parmesan cheese. And I added some of the garlic and herb so that it'll be kind of like the garlic and herb potatoes that you get when you go out to eat. Hang on. For lunch, I've got 6 ounces of my burgers and the Normandy blend. I need to season that. So since I'm at home, I'm going to put some Slap Your Mama on there. I'm going to put a nice little amount. So it's going to be a work meeting and they're going to be having all kinds of nice things. So I'm going to add some other stuff to it so it'll make me feel a little less deprived. Hang on. Since I added the Slap Your Mama, I'm not going to put any of, well, I probably will. Who am I kidding? Hang on. I'm going to do 1 serving of my G. Hughes stir fry. So let me zero that out. Well, I'll try to do 1 serving. So I'll be having, 19 ounces. And then same 15 grams a try of the liquid aminos that I use. Okay. I lied. I'm going to get the sriracha. Hang on. Sorry, you're looking at my floor. Well, the sriracha just has such good flavor. So, like I said, I don't want to feel like, if they have pizza or something, I don't want to feel like, come on, get out of there. Hang on, I'm having some technical issues. I don't want to be like, sitting over there with my bland burgers and my bland veggies. So I'd like to have a little something, something. So now I'll have my Asian. 2 servings. I'll have my Asian veggies and that's what I'll heat up and I'll have that. So I'll have that for breakfast and this for lunch tomorrow. And I'll also toss in a LaCroix drink. And my protein coffee. I'll have my protein coffee for breakfast. So there you go. That's my game plan for tomorrow. I've already had my breakfast, which I showed you last night. And I'm about to eat my lunch. So they have pizza for everybody, but I don't want it. So I'll just eat what I brought. Well, supper. Since I had pork for lunch, or beef for lunch. This is my pork steak. This is the last of the meals that I made like 2 weeks ago. Starting tomorrow, you'll see the foods that I made this past weekend. So, I don't know. I don't want anything super fancy right now. I had to pick my dog up from the vet, and so I'm just kind of mentally blah. And so I just want to go in and eat. I don't really care about getting all fancy right now. So my version of not fancy. This is that stuff that I made 3 years ago. I put the recipe in the video last week sometime. It's just a mesquite barbecue rub that I made. No sugar, but anyway. And so it kind of has a barbecue-y smell. So I got that. I'm going to put in a little bit of Slap Your Mama. And then I'm going to put some garlic and herb. I'm just hungry and not really in the mood for anything fancy. Then I'm going to put in just a little bit of sesame seeds. No reason, just kind of want some. I'm not even doing Asian, but I want some. So yeah, that's literally going to be my supper tonight. So pork steak and vegetables. Now starting tomorrow, everything is in 7 ounces because it was the more lean cuts. So I'll be plugging in 7 ounces of pork loin and 7 ounces of, I don't remember what kind of steak that was. But anyway, so yeah, so I'm going to change. Tomorrow it'll be different stuff that I'll be doing. All right. Oh, and this is the California blend. Okay, bye. So I had this recorded and was talking and everything. This right here is a frosted glass that I keep in my freezer. I have one of these heavy cream tablets that are frozen that I froze the other day. And I took 1 can of LaCroix lemon sparkling water. And that's this. As it sits in the water, you can see the cream is starting to kind of pull away from the cube. And yeah, so I kind of had a bad day. Got some not great news about my puppy dog. He's got hard of hearing and ear issues, so they're talking about having to seal his ear shut. So I'm going to sit and drink this and eat my supper. Okay, now you're in the loop. Bye. Here's my macros for the day. If I would have left the heavy cream off, I'd have been at 1450, but that's okay. I'm drinking my sorrows away today.